That is Windows 8.1, and let's see how to use single click for opening icons. For example, recycle bin. Now I have to double click on it. If I click only once, nothing happens, it's not opening. So open up a File Explorer window and go here to the View tab and Options, and click items as follows, single click. Check that one and close it with OK. Now if I go to the recycle bin, notice that it is even underlined. There's a line under the recycle bin text, and plus it is a hand when I go over it. So now it's in single click mode. Let's close both of them. So one single click and it is opened. Okay, to put it back, you can go here to the View tab, Options, and select double click to open and close it with OK. And now if I go over it, now it is not a hand anymore and it's not underlined either. And now single click does nothing, it's only selecting it, and double click, it's opening the window.